Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear 9th class. How are you? I hope so that you and your family are good in health. May Allah protect you and your family. Dear students, we will start our today's lecture with the name of Allah. First of all, recite 3 times Rabbi Zidni Ilma, Rabbi Zidni Ilma, Rabbi Zidni Ilma. Now we will start our today's lecture. Today we will discuss about the inequations exercise 7.3 from Punjab textbook board, Bahawalpur board, class 9th. My dear students, inequations are the type in which we will use the comparison signs less than, greater than, less than and equal to, or greater than equal to. Whenever you know that there are 6 comparison signs, actually there are 3 comparison sign: equal, greater than or less than, but greater than or equal to and less than or equal to are also used. Whenever there is the equality sign between 2 expressions, then this is known as the equation. And when we will use this sign, greater than, less than, greater than or equal to, less than or equal to, these are known as the inequations. There are some examples or types of equations which we will discuss in our today's lecture. For example, that we have 3 real numbers A, B and C, and now we are going to compare these 3 variables. In first 2 examples, we will compare 2 values, 2 real numbers. For example, A and B. Suppose if A is greater than B or A is less than B, then this is known as a strict or strong inequalities or inequation. But in case of A is greater than or equal to B or A is less than or equal to B, then this is known as a non-strict or weak inequalities, because equality sign is involved. And now in this we will use 3 real numbers, the comparison between 3 real numbers. For example, A is less than B and B is less than C, or we can say that B is in between A and C, or A is less than or equal to B or B is less than or equal to C, then this is known as a double inequality. Okay, dear students, because there are 3 comparison of 3 variables or 3 real numbers. Now we will discuss about the linear inequalities where A is not equals to 0. Linear, you know that the linear equation A plus Bx is equal to 0. But since this is inequality, so we will use these 4 different symbols. A plus Bx is less than 0. A plus Bx is less than or equal to 0. A plus Bx is greater than 0. Or A plus Bx is greater than or equal to 0. There are 4 possibilities in linear inequality. After that, before starting the lecture, I would like to discuss about the one property which is known as a multiplicative property. Dear student, this property is very important because we will use this property in our today's lecture again and again. So first we will discuss multiplicative property of an equation. There are 4 possibilities. For example, we have 3 real numbers A, B and C. In first case, if A is greater than B and C is greater than 0, means we have 2 numbers and we are going to multiply these 2 numbers with any other third number, and the third number is greater than 0. Greater than 0 means it is positive. In that case, whenever we will multiply these 2 numbers with third number, then their product has the similar sign. There is no change in the sign. If A is greater than B, then their product is also greater in this form, same sign. And if A is less than B and C is positive, means third number is positive, then there is also the same number, AC is less than BC. But in other case, if for example, if A is greater than B but C is less than 0, means when we will multiply these 2 numbers with a negative number, then their sign will be changed inverse. If it is greater than, then their product have the lesser than. If it is lesser than sign, then its product has a greater than sign. In case when we will multiply any number with the multiply or divide any number with the negative number, this will apply in the same case of the division also. Okay, remember, keep in your mind this property, and now we are going to solve the questions of the exercise. Exercise 7.3, our first question is solve the following inequalities. First question is written as 4x minus 10.3 is less than or equal to 21x minus 1.8. Dear students, first remember the first thing that there is a same method to solve this question like equations. Okay, but only there is one difference, that there is a sign of the inequality instead of equality sign. First of all, we will take the in our first step we will take the inverse of the 21x on both sides. Okay, 4x minus 21 means you can say that we will subtract minus 21x on both sides of the equation. So 4x minus 21x minus 10.3 is less than or equal to 21x minus 21x is minus 1.8. In this equation, my dear students, 21x will be cancelled by 21x, and we have this one 4x minus 21x is minus 17x, and now minus 10.3 plus 10, add 10.3 on the both sides of the equation is less than or equal to minus 1.8 plus 10.3. These two values will be cancelled out. We have minus 17x less than or equal to 9.5. Divide the equation by minus 17, and you know the property, whenever we will multiply or divide the equation or inequation by the negative number, then their sign, comparison sign will be changed. This is less than or equal to, now it will be changed in greater than or equal to, because we are going to divide the inequation by minus negative number. So divide this inequation by minus 17, this will be cancelled. 17 versus 17, 17 5s are 95. So we will put the decimal point after 1 dp. So we will get that x is greater than or equal to 0.5. This is the answer of the first question. Okay, my dear students. Now part number 4. X minus 2 into 5 minus 2x is greater than or equal to 6 minus 3 whole 1 by 2. First, in our first step, we will remove the bracket and write x minus 2 5 is 10 minus 1 is plus 2 2s are 4x greater than or equal to, first of all we will put the lesser the equality sign in this equation. Okay, dear students, now we will multiply x minus 2 5s are 10 minus minus plus 2 4s are 2 2s are 4x greater than or equal to 6x minus 7 by 2, 3 2s are 6 and 1 7 7 by 2. Now my dear students, we will in this step we will add first of all 4x plus 1x is equals to 5x and write other values as it is. And now we will write the inverse of this 6x to the left hand side and get 5x minus 10x, and we will write the inverse of this to right hand side. This will become 10 minus 7 by 2. In this side we will take the LCM of between these two values. Okay, it will be 20 minus 7 is equals to 13. 6x minus 5x is equals to minus x. And in this my dear students question, again we will multiply the question with the negative number. So whenever we will multiply the question into negative number, then their sign will be changed. So focus here that their sign will be changed, greater than to lesser than. So the answer is the x is less than or equal to minus 6.5. Move to the next part number 2, question number 2, part number 3. In our question number 2, we have the statement solve this. Minus 6 less than x minus 2 by 4 is less than 6. Dear student, first of all, we will multiply the equation by 4 to remove the denominator. We will multiply every term of the equation by 4 and get minus 24 less than x minus 2 less than 24. This equation, this is the type of the double inequation, okay, double inequality. In this, x is between these two numbers. So we have minus 24 less than x minus 2 less than 24. We will add 2 on both on all the sides in all the terms of the inequation, and we will get minus 24 plus 2, which is less than x minus 2 plus 2 less than 24 plus 2. And you can see that minus 2 plus 2 will be cancelled, and we have the inequation x minus 24 plus 20 plus 2 is equals to minus 22, and less than x minus 24 plus 2 is equals to 26. Now we will move to the last part of the exercise. This will be 3 is greater than or equal to 7 minus x by 2 greater than or equal to 1. In this question, my dear students, again we will multiply the inequality by the 2. All the terms will multiply it by 2, and we will get 3 to the 6 greater than or equal to 7 minus x greater than or equal to 2, because this 2 will be cancelled with this one, and we will get my 2 ones are 2. Again, my dear students, since there is a constant value between this inequation, so first of all, to remove the this value, we will subtract 7 in each equation, in each term. So subtract minus 7 or put minus 7 in each term of the inequation. Here 7 will be cancelled by minus 7, and we will get minus 1 is greater than minus x is greater than or equal to minus 5. Since we cannot write minus x, so we will multiply this inequation by minus 1. And whenever we will multiply equation or inequation by a negative number, then their sign will be changed. Please observe this very carefully. This sign will be converted with this sign. So it will becomes minus 1 will becomes to plus 1, minus x will be plus x, minus 5 will be plus 5 after multiplied by minus 1. And their sign will also be reversed. Minus greater than or equal to will be changed into less than or equal to sign. Okay. This is the work of the today's lecture. Now you can focus on your index. Your index is exercise 7.3 complete, and your HW is CW is HW. Remember one thing, my dear students, according to the smart syllabus of your PTB book, my dear, you have only 4 parts of this exercise. In our question number 1, part number 2 and part number 4 is included, and in question number 2, part 3 and part 4 are included. So you have only these 4 parts in your syllabus. Take care of yourself, enjoy your vacations, have a good day. Allah Hafiz.